Hi, I'm going to cook shawarma now, and meanwhile you can subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is the best motivation for creating new videos. I cut 500 grams of chicken thighs into pieces the size I want them to be in the shawarma. Then I add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, chicken seasoning, salt to taste. I mix everything together and marinate for about 1 hour. While the chicken is being marinated, I take the cherry tomatoes and cut them in halves. I also cut the fresh cucumbers into medium-sized pieces. Now it's time to make the sauce. 450 grams of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of grainy mustard, 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, and black pepper to taste. I used half a teaspoon. Add 4 large cloves of pressed garlic. I mix everything thoroughly until I get a homogeneous mass. Next, I finely chop the fresh dills and add it to the sauce. Next, I also add about 300 grams of sour cream and mix everything carefully. Having made the sauce, be sure to taste it. If the flavor is too intense, add a little more sour cream until you get the desired taste. I fry the marinated chicken on a well-heated pan with sunflower oil. While the meat is being fried, I cut the mushrooms and the cabbage. I fry the mushrooms in a drop of oil until they turn golden. The shawarma ingredients are ready. Now I'm starting to assemble it. I put cabbage, cucumbers, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and chicken pieces on the pita bread, pour the sauce over it, and roll it up as tightly as possible. I fry the shawarma on a frying pan from both sides, from the same side and from the opposite side. That is what I got. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching. Bye.